and welcome back to my channel. My name is Arjan, and as you can see I have started a little tour closer to home this time. I just started off in Haren, where I met up with my friend Peter-Jan, and I just read an article in a newspaper about a 3D street art a nearby town called Veendam. So I thought that would be a good reason to try and look for it. So I'm not quite sure where it is in the city center. There should be 4 pieces of 3D art, but it's going to be a nice ride towards Veendam, I think. So let's go and see if we can find them. We've just cycled through the little village of Noordlaren and are now on our way to Meerwijk, where a little self-supported ferry awaits us. It's been out of commission for well over a year. We all thought it was due to COVID, but apparently there was some sort of dispute between the owner of the land that we're now cycling on and the community. So I'm happy that's now sorted because it makes for a very nice alternative route if you're in the area. Street art in Veendam. was another great ride as far as I'm concerned. I really love the 3D art in Veendam, and we rode on lots of small cycle paths through the fields, few gravel roads as well. And now I am on the home stretch, which is a bit of a tough one these days, because loads and loads and loads of roadworks going on in Groningen at the moment. And every day pretty much I have to change my route wherever I want to go, because close up some road. Anyways, another good day on the bike, so hope you enjoyed the video. So why don't you jump on your own bike and enjoy your ride. So, but stay safe out there. See you later. Bye.